साइज बढ़ते जा रहे थे। एंड कई लोगों के साथ बिल्कुल उल्टा होता है, उनका साइज वैसा ही रहता है ऑलमोस्ट, और वेट बढ़ते जाता है। और कई बार ऐसी चीजें होती है कि भैया आज ना मैं वो पेस्ट्री खा लूं, आज ना मुझे कहीं से पेड़ा मिला है यहाँ का प्रसाद आया है, यहाँ का ये हो रहा है। तो क्रेविंग्स आती है। और जब क्रेविंग्स आती है तो उसके साथ एक चीज नहीं आती, वो है अलार्म। वो अलार्म आना बहुत जरूरी होता है कि भैया कुछ तो इमोशनली गलत हो रहा है। तो ऐसी क्रेविंग्स मेरे साथ भी बहुत आने लग गई थी, और मैं तो ठहरी गुजराती और चटोरी तो मुझे क्रेविंग ज्यादा अच्छी लगती थी अलार्म से। बट देर वॉज वन सच टाइम व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड स्टडिंग। स्टडिंग इज टू मेरे साथ क्यों कुछ ऐसी दिक्कतें होने लग गई जो नहीं होनी चाहिए थी। एंड देन व्हेन आई वेंट डीपर एंड डीपर, सो पहले तो इंस्टाग्राम आपको 1,500 रेमेडीज और ऐसे फूड्स देता है जो आपके आसपास कभी नहीं मिलते, किसी और कंट्री के होते हैं। देन यू हैव some other remedies of some other pills and some other gadgets and some other tools. आज one of the biggest industries is weight reduction and fat reduction. ऐसे
Yes.
tools, ऐसे gadgets लोग ले आते हैं, eventually find out that they are not working. But in today's world, what we miss out and what we should do first is address the core. अगर आज हम spiritual level पे कुछ चीजें कर लें तो उसके जो इफेक्ट्स दिखते हैं वो मल्टीपल लेवल पे दिखते हैं। एंड दैट्स व्हाई टुडेज कॉल, आवर टुडेज एक्सपर्ट इज प्रगति जी। बस इन सम टाइम यू विल गेट टू नो मोर अबाउट हर, हु हैज गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन हर आर्सेनल टुडे, जो हमें वेट लॉस के जगह ले जाएंगी। सबसे पहले इमोशनल फ्रीडम के साथ। जब तक हम इमोशनली फ्री नहीं होंगे, जब तक इमोशन नहीं बनेगा कि भैया ये करना है, तब तक ये नहीं होगा। जब तक कुछ चीजें रिलीज नहीं होंगी, क्रेविंग्स रिलीज नहीं होंगी, तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे। सो
Okay.
विथ मी, लॉर्ड ऑफ हार्ट्स, थम्स अप, वेलकम्स एंड हेलोज टू प्रगति जी एंड वसुधा जी। वसुधा जी विल बी गिविंग हर इंट्रोडक्शन वेरी सून। मैं बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सबको हेलो कहने आ गई। सो ओवर टू देम, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी इन दिस जर्नी। आई एम श्योर आप लोग सब प्रगति जी को भी उतना प्यार दोगे जितना मुझे देते आए हो। शी इज डूइंग हर वेरी फर्स्ट कॉल विथ अस, सो लेट अस cheer with a lot of hearts. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
So can everybody send a heart? जो हमारे Zoom में emoji है, let's send a heart and let's motivate her. Let's give her kudos to start her very first session, and which is very sensitive topic हम सबको. So most of us are going to learn today. So thank you, Siddhi. It's always wonderful to say hello to you during the session. You pumped up the session. Thank you so much, and wonderful story. So let's start with Dr. Pragati's introduction. Before I share about Dr. Pragati, I wanted to know that how many of you are attending any session at Yana's Healing Studio for the very first time? कितने लोग पहली ही बार कोई knowledge call attend कर रहे हैं Yana's Healing Studio का? So just let me know in the chat box. Okay, Sonal ji is attending for the first time. आप emojis भी use कर सकते हो if you don't want to type in the chat box. So some of the new faces, some of the old faces. Okay, so today's call is going to be of mix. It's going to be mix of Hindi as well as English. So Sharmila ji is attending for the first time. Rakesh ji is attending for the first time. So good to see you and a warm welcome to you from Yana Healing Studio for this very first session. Since we have some people who are attending the session for the very first time, I would like to take this moment and introduce about Yana's Healing Studio. The platform which has given me a lot, which is giving all our mentors a lot, I would want to express a quick moment of gratitude and take this moment to introduce about Yana Sailing Studio. Yana Sailing Studio is a transformative platform. It's a platform which is like a one-stop solution. You don't have to go anywhere. It's being led by a visionary expert, Siddhiji, who is with us on today's call today. She is a TEDx speaker, spiritual energy activation coach, divination expert, and she herself has mastered more than 100 plus modalities. Over the last few years, she's transformed more than 11,000 plus souls. So, all of us who are present at the screen, all of us are one of them from this 11,000 through healing, coaching, mentoring, and intuitive guidance. याना स्लीविंग स्टूडियो का एक ही विजन है that we want to provide a one-stop solution for all your spiritual and personal transformation needs. This is a platform which offers sessions, spiritual coaching, mentoring, intuitive readings, energy activation practices for everybody who wants to excel in their life, who wants to seek some clarity in their life, who wants to balance and grow in their life. So thank you, a big thank you to Yana Sailing Studio for providing this platform to many mentors like me, Pragati ji, and so many more to come here and share our knowledge. Siddhi has also created, one of our brainchild is Sri Karya Siddhi. It's dedicated to completely spiritual and energy enhancing products where we give you tools like bath salts, crystals, essential oils, and many tools which help us in our spiritual growth. We do arrange a lot of pujas, havan rituals, and many which can harmonize the life energies. With a powerful mission to reach positively and impact 1 lakh plus souls, Yana Sailing Studio, Sri Karya Siddhi, and Astro Align, all three sectors are steadily building a community focused on healing, awakening, and conscious living. And let's meet our today's mentor. Her name is Dr. Pragati Mahale. So once again. Okay, I've just stopped this. Yeah. So a warm welcome to Dr. Pragati on behalf of Yana Sailing Studio. She is experienced 20 plus years as AISSMS IOIT. She's in engineering in computers, ME in information technology, PhD in computer science and engineering. She has learned NLP. She's an NLP practitioner, healer, mindfulness coach, and a trainer. And she has a vision to spread whatever she has learned, whatever has helped her for her inner peace, her mindfulness is what she is here to share about. So over to you, Pragati ji. The stage is all yours. And I'm very excited to know about how we can lose emotional weight.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the lovely introduction. I hope I'm clearly audible and visible to everybody.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Thank you. So, hello, namaskar, and a warm welcome to all my dear participants. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time for this knowledge call. And as Siddhi ma'am shared her story, I'm sure we all must be having similar stories related to our weight, related to our fat. Even I am not an exception. So during my challenging phase of my life, my mindfulness and healing modalities helped me to transform my health and emotional well-being. So, what began as a self healing became my calling to guide others. Just few months back, I undergone a surgery, and after that surgery, because I was on bed for 3 months, I had gained a lot of weight and also the fat, and even my sugar levels increased. And you know that when we undergo a surgery, we are not allowed to do any kind of exercise. That time, in such situation, when we can't follow any diet, we can't do any kind of exercise, not even a walk, such type of powerful techniques like EFT becomes very important, not to maintain our energy level, to maintain our emotional well-being, and not uh, let the weight increase. So this was my story, my journey, where I have reduced the weight when I was not even able to do any kind of exercise or diet. So मैंने अपने जर्नी से एक चीज नोटिस किया है, लोग सक्सेस चाहते हैं, हेल्थ भी चाहते हैं, लेकिन अंदर से स्ट्रेस, इमोशनल वुंड्स एंड सेल्फ डाउट उन्हें रोकता है. कैन यू ड्रॉप मी अ यस इफ यू रेजोनेट विथ मी? ऐसे होता है कि वी हैव सो मेनी एम्बिशंस, we have a big wish list, but sometimes something becomes a block. It could be an emotional block, it could be stress, it could be some past experience, it could be even our own self doubt. Yes or no? इसलिए मेरे मिशन, इट्स माय मिशन दैट लोगों के इनर हीलिंग एंड माइंडफुलनेस से उनका ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मैं कर पाऊँ. एंड विद दिस I would like to start my presentation. I'll just share my presentation PPT here. So is the PPT visible to everyone?
Mhm.
It will come.
Slowly.
It takes
Now it is.
little time.
Now it
Yeah,
is.
now it is visible.
Now it is visible. Fine. So yeah. So let us start with what is our real problem. Is it a diet, or it is an exercise, or it is some kind of hidden stress, some kind of emotional weight because of which it is difficult for us to not lose weight even if we are following some kind of diet regime or we are doing some kind of exercise. So yeah. सो आज हम वेट लॉस के बारे में बात करेंगे, लेकिन दिस सेशन इज नॉट अबाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ डाइट प्लान और एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्सरसाइज रूटीन. क्योंकि सच्चाई क्या है, वेट प्रॉब्लम प्लेट में नहीं है, इट इज इन आवर माइंड. डू यू एग्री विथ मी?
Yes.
बहुत लोग कहते हैं मैंने कीटो डाइट ट्राई किया, मैंने इंटरमीडिएट फास्टिंग किया, मैंने जिम ज्वाइन करा, लेकिन कुछ दिन के बाद वेट वापस आ जाता है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिलेट टू दिस? कैन आई गेट सम responses in the chat box? And this is a knowledge call and also interactive call. यहाँ मैं आपको बहुत सारा वैल्यू देना चाहती हूँ और आपके साथ बहुत सारा चीज डिस्कस भी करना चाहती हूँ. एंड ऑल्सो आई वॉन्ट टू नो अबाउट यू एंड योर स्ट्रगल्स, your challenges in this weight loss journey. So we will keep the session completely interactive so that we understand each other. Yes? So क्या आपने नोटिस किया है, स्ट्रेस होने पर क्रेविंग बढ़ जाती है, मूड खराब हो जाता है ना? एंड मूड खराब होने पे वी टेन टू ईट एक्स्ट्रा, हम एक्स्ट्रा खाना खा लेते, डाइट स्टार्ट करते हैं लेकिन कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाते. गिव मी यस इन द चैट अगर ऐसा होता है आपके साथ भी, क्योंकि मेरे साथ तो ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है. ऑलवेज देर इज अप एंड डाउन, मतलब चल रहा है डाइट एक्सरसाइज, अगेन देर इज अ ब्रेक, अगेन ऐसा लगता है नो नो नो, अगेन वी मेकअप ऑफ माइंड, नहीं मुझे करना है, अगेन वी स्टार्ट. सो देर इज सच काइंड ऑफ इनकंसिस्टेंसी इन आवर जर्नी. अगर जो आज का वेबिनार आपके लिए है, क्योंकि बॉडी वेट बढ़ने से पहले इमोशनल वेट बढ़ता है, और आज मैं आपको एक पावरफुल टेक्निक बताने वाली हूँ जो इस इमोशनल वेट को रिलीज करता है. So are you guys ready to learn ki what is this technique, and basically before even understanding the technique, what is the reason of our weight and how emotions, how our feelings, our mental blocks affects our weight. So how many of you are ready to explore this with me?
Absolutely.
Absolutely, yes. One sec, I am not able to see the chat somehow. I don't know. अभी तो देख पा रही थी मैं. ओके, फाइन, इट्स फाइन. वेबिनार स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपके बारे में जानना चाहती हूँ. सो वी बिकम कंफर्टेबल विद ईच अदर, शेयरिंग एंड knowing and learning a lot and take away lot of value from this webinar. सो मुझे आप चार्ट में बताइए, आप कितने समय से वेट लॉस के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं? Are you some period of time, 1 year, 2 years, 6 months, whatever, 2 years, Payal ji is saying 2 years, 4 years, Sonal ji is saying 4 years, long time say yes. और क्या आपने पहले डाइटिंग ट्राई करी है? गिव मी यस और नो. जिम ज्वाइन किया है लेकिन कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन नहीं हो पा रही है, क्या ऐसा आपके साथ हुआ है? क्या इमोशनल ईटिंग की वजह से आपका वेट बढ़ा है? कभी ये नोटिस किया है, कभी ये ऑब्जर्व किया है? यस, 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 वेरी ट्रू. सो आई नो you definitely resonate with me what is I'm talking about. So क्या कभी आपको लगता है कि वेट के वजह से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस कम हो जाता है? जब आप कुछ कपड़े ट्राई करते हैं और साइज फिट नहीं होता है तो कैसे फीलिंग आता है? वी फील सो मच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, डिप्रेस. क्या आप वेट लॉस शुरू करते हैं लेकिन 2-3 हफ्ते के बाद मोटिवेशन कम हो जाता है? स्ट्रेस या टेंशन में एक्स्ट्रा खाना हम लोग खा लेते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रेजोनेट विद दिस? ऐसा होता है? यस, राइट. सो एब्सोल्युटली. सो ऐसा क्यों होता है? क्या आपने कभी नोटिस किया है कि बॉडी वेट बढ़ने से इमोशनल वेट बढ़ता है? एंड रियल प्रॉब्लम हमारे डाइट प्लान में नहीं होता है. ऐसे बहुत एग्जाम्पल्स हैं कि मान लीजिए किसी लेडी ने पूरे दिन अपना डाइट प्लान परफेक्टली फॉलो कर लिया. मॉर्निंग हेल्दी ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया, आफ्टरनून में सैलड्स खा लिए, इवनिंग में ग्रीन टी भी कर लिया, सब कुछ परफेक्ट. लेकिन रात को क्या हो गया? थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस आ गया, थोड़ी सी थकावट आ गई, या थोड़ा लोनलीनेस फील हो गया, या कुछ टेंशन आ गया. सो व्हाट हैपेंस? हम अचानक अपना फ्रिज ओपन कर देते हैं और फिर चॉकलेट, आइसक्रीम, स्नैक्स, जो भी मिले हम खा लेते हैं थोड़ा थोड़ा करके. बट वी crave for such thing when we are emotionally down. और फिर नेक्स्ट डे क्या फील होता है? कैन यू आंसर मी? नेक्स्ट डे क्या फील होता है?
क्यों किया?
गिल्ट. असल प्रॉब्लम फूड में नहीं है, इमोशन में है. फूड सिर्फ एक टेम्पररी कंफर्ट बन जाता है एंड इमोशन हम पे कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं. हे, यस और नो? क्या आपके साथ ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि स्ट्रेस में, टेंशन में ऑटोमेटिकली मीठा हम लेते हैं, कुछ जंक खा लेते हैं एंड वी फील कंफर्ट? when we are in stress we feel comfort eating sweet, we feel comfort eating junk. Yes or no? Yes. So it is not about the diet. It is not about what kind of plan or routine you are following. It is not about keto. It is not about intermediate fasting or what. And so many types of diet है आजकल. जैसे सिद्धि मैम ने बोला, there are so many things available on net. And we tend to explore this, we tend to explore that diet, we tend to explore so many different kind of workouts, exercise, even zumba से लेके, yoga से लेके, gym से लेके, walk से लेके, walk for a mile and what not things, right? But हम कभी हमारे इमोशंस पे ध्यान नहीं देते. We don't go to the root cause why we tend to go back, why we bounce back to our earlier state, why we are not able to maintain the consistency following the diet or doing the exercise, or even if we do, why do we bounce back to our weight? So EFT tapping target this emotional baggage at the root. We through emotional tapping, we learn to release what holds us back. Yes. So here today we will be studying about this कि why uh, food, yeah, diet food, why we are not able to maintain our weight or not follow. कोई आवाज आ रहा है आई थिंक इन द बैकग्राउंड. वसुधा जी, आप सबको म्यूट कर सकते? यस. सो अगर मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि वेट लॉस सिर्फ डाइट या एक्सरसाइज से नहीं होता है, बल्कि हमारे इमोशन और माइंड पैटर्न से जुड़ा हुआ है, और तो क्या आप इसके बारे में सीखना चाहेंगे कि इमोशनल ब्लॉक किस तरह से हम रिलीज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इमोशनल ब्लॉक किस तरह से हम वेट लूज कर सकते हैं. यहाँ हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हैव एवर हर्ड अबाउट दिस टर्म EFT टैपिंग? किसी ने पहले सुना है? चैट में बताइए. यस, EFT टैपिंग के बारे में सुना है. सो
Yeah.
व्हाट इज EFT टैपिंग? अगर आप मुझे बता सकते कि
Emotional
व्हाट इज
freedom
योर
technique.
आइडिया. यस.
Emotional freedom technique. The whole purpose of doing this initial days was because I've done a course way back in 2004-5. Back then, it was to support healing, like where some people are not receptive to, let's say, Reiki or pranic healing or other techniques. Then we would support them with the healing using emotional freedom technique, also giving them the tap points of the acupressure points. So they could work on that because that is from their own thought process. Their own mind is doing it. They are accepting it from their mind. While we do the distance healing, they do it themselves. That's how
Yeah.
I learned initial days. So
Right,
my
right.
curiosity
Absolutely
here
right.
was when you brought in saying that this could also be one of the reasons for weight loss, or to help one understand why someone is doing a lot of things but yet not releasing or not losing weight in
Absolutely,
certain
absolutely.
cases. So that
Exactly.
curiosity is what brought me here.
This is what we are going to explore in this particular
Thank you.
knowledge call. And as you rightly said, EFT tapping is one of the healing modality. And not only for the weight loss, it can be used to release your anger, to improve your self-confidence, release your overthinking, fear, release any kind of physical things like acidity or headache, okay, or the body pain, or it can also be used to attract peace, to improve your focus for the students. It can be helped to release the limiting belief, to release the sadness. So there are many things, because it is we are using our own emotions, our own powerful sentence to program our mind. So definitely, of course, ऐसा मैजिक नहीं है कि एक बार करा और हो गया, बिकॉज बहुत सारे इमोशंस हमने कितने दिनों से, कितने सालों से ब्लॉक करके रखे हैं. सो डेफिनेटली those programs, when we have to first unprogram by releasing that, and then make a space to reprogram new patterns using EFT. So EFT, as ma'am already said, it is emotional freedom technique. It is also called as emotional freedom tapping. Okay, it uses a traditional Chinese medicine meridian points. So there are certain meridian points or certain acupressure points on our body. And if we tap those points, we can shift our energy, we can make changes in our emotions. Right? So in traditional acupressure, we use certain kind of needles or instruments. In EFT tapping, you don't need any kind of extra accessories or any instrument or anything. Your fingertips, your fingertip tapping will stimulate this point. So it is so easy. You don't need anything. Even your fingertips are the healing tool. मतलब fingertips ही आपके healing tools बन जाते हैं. आपको और किसी भी tools या और any किसी भी चीज की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आपको पता है कि हमारी बॉडी में ही बहुत सारी कैपेबिलिटी होती है कि हम अपने आप को अपने थॉट से हील कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज हमारे थॉट्स ही हमारी हम वो बीमारी भी क्रिएट करने में कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं. यस और नो? Our thoughts, our feelings, our emotion are also the creator of a disease body or pain body. Similarly, our thoughts and our emotion, if we change them, they help us to heal. Yes. So यहाँ जो ये acupressure points जो है, हम अपने फिंगर टिप्स से उसको धीरे हल्के से टैप करते हैं और फिर अपनी फीलिंग्स जो होते उनको हम एक्नॉलेज करते हैं और नेगेटिव लिमिटिंग बिलीफ्स को रिलीज करते हैं और न्यू एम्पावरिंग फीलिंग्स को या फिर अफर्मेशंस को टैपिंग के साथ हम लोग प्रोग्राम भी करते हैं. तो दैट इज वेरी सिंपल टू टेल यू अबाउट व्हाट इज ईएफटी टैपिंग. और इसका पर्पस क्या है, ये सब टैपिंग करने से या पॉइंट्स टैप करने से होता क्या है? इट हेल्प्स अस टू रिलीज द ब्लॉक्ड एनर्जी. Tapping say it helps us to release the blocked energy, and it helps to calm our nervous system. It helps us to calm our mind. Yes. And it reduces the emotional intensity or the anxiety. So ये टैपिंग करने से ये सारी चीजें होती है और धीरे धीरे बिकॉज आवर माइंड काम हो जाता है एंड व्हेन वी रिप्रोग्राम इट, it starts working. See, energy, we know that energy can be transformed from one form to another form. So we have to channelize our energy for the good aspects, okay, to make some good changes or transformation. We have to channelize our own energy and thoughts to heal ourselves. Yes or no? So because even our thoughts had contributed to attract those kind of diseases or extra weight. Yeah. So we have to work on our thoughts and emotion, and EFT helps us do that. EFT, it was developed in 1990 and it was created by Gary Crack in mid 1990s. Okay. So we'll also try to understand what is the science behind EFT. Okay. So आई हैव सीन, मतलब मैं EFT सिखाती हूँ तो कुछ लोगों को लगता है लाइक रेकी, लाइक मैम सेड, और एनी अदर हीलिंग प्रैक्टिसेस, और इट इज ऑल्सो स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस. कुछ लोग, लेकिन रिसर्च, देर इज अ साइंटिफिक reason why you get results using EFT. So what the study shows that the EFT tapping करने से जो हमारा कॉर्टिजोल यानी स्ट्रेस हार्मोन होता है वो लगभग 43% तक कम हो जाता है. और जब स्ट्रेस कम हो जाता है तो क्रेविंग कम होते हैं और हमारा इमोशनल ईटिंग भी कम होता है और हमारा वेट लॉस इजी हो जाता है. So this is how EFT is working, how EFT works and how it is making some physiological changes. Because ये सिर्फ फिजिकल बॉडी नहीं है बल्कि our mind, our emotion and energy system सब कुछ contribute करता है for our weight. And EFT works on our mind also, it works on our emotion also, it works on our nervous system also. So जब भी हम stress या गिल्ट या फियर या एंजाइटी और एनी काइंड ऑफ इमोशनल पेन महसूस करते हैं तो उस पर असर सिर्फ हमारा माइंड पर नहीं, उसका असर सिर्फ हमारे माइंड पर नहीं बट हमारी बॉडी पर भी होता है और हमारे एनर्जी सिस्टम पर होता है. एंड दिस इज वेयर द EFT टेक्निक हमारी काम करती है. इट वर्क्स ऑन आवर माइंड, इट वर्क्स ऑन आवर इमोशंस. सो एज आई सेड कि जो हमारे मेरिडियन पॉइंट्स है वो क्या है, हमारे शरीर में कुछ एनर्जी पाथवे होते हैं या जिसे हम मेरिडियन पॉइंट्स कह सकते हैं। सो ये कंसेप्ट एक्चुअली पुरानी चाइनीज मेडिसिन और एक्यूप्रेश पंचर से आया है। तो ये जो पॉइंट्स होते हैं, अभी हम वी विल डू द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑल्सो, तो तब मैं आपको ये सारे पॉइंट्स के बारे में बताऊंगी डिटेल में। तो इन स्पेसिफिक पॉइंट्स पर जब हम जेंटली टैप करते हैं तो क्या होता है कि शरीर की जो एनर्जी फ्लो होता है वो बैलेंस होता है, और हमारे जो भी इमोशनल ब्लॉक्स हमने करके रखे हैं वो धीरे धीरे रिलीज होने लगते हैं। और बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रिलीज, तो वी गेट अ रिलीफ फीलिंग, वी फील रिलैक्स, वी फील रिलीफ्ड, एंड फिर हमारे माइंड को कामिंग सिग्नल मिलने लगते हैं। दिस इज हाउ EFT tapping affects your physical body, and so it also takes care of your emotional blocks. So यहाँ पे if anybody has anything to say, हम लोग कुछ शेयरिंग है या फिर क्वेश्चंस है यहाँ तक, तो we can talk about that. मैं थोड़ा स्टॉप करती हूँ so that I can see, and if there are any questions. Yeah, are you with me till here? यहाँ तक you are able to understand या मेरा speed या something? If there is anything you want to tell, you can please tell before we start with actual topic or demonstration. Anything if is there
Can I
in the...
ask one question? This is
Yes,
Sonal
yes,
Thakur.
yes, yes.
Hi. It was great.
Hello.
I heard about it for the first time. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm just trying to locate you on the
No, I've
camera.
not switched off the
Okay.
camera.
Okay,
I'm
you're
so
not in
sorry
the
for
camera.
that.
Fine, fine, fine. Yes, yes.
I just
Yes,
wanted to
tell.
ask, the way it is for losing weight, is it also to gain a perfect balanced weight?
Yes, it is both ways. See,
Both ways,
it
okay.
is about what instructions, what statement you're giving while tapping, what programming you're trying to do while tapping. Okay?
Okay. I got it. Yeah.
Yes, I have taken a lot of EFTs. I'm Shubha Maheshwari.
Yes,
I've
yes.
taken a lot of EFT healings. So yes, it does definitely reduce your lot of anxieties and lot of emotional release happens. So it's a wonderful, wonderful technique, definitely.
See, yes, I absolutely agree with you. And today also we will, in the demonstration, you all will experience that. Because if you are really in very much bad state of mind, emotionally blocked, or feeling some kind of anxiety, and you practice that for only 10 to 15 minutes, immediately you feel that shift. You feel that calming vibration. You feel that your mind is somehow settling down. You feel that there is some change. Yes. So it is very effective and very powerful technique. And of course, हर चीज में practice लगता है, and second thing, intention, belief. Everything, whatever you do, if you believe, okay, and you do with a pure intention, definitely again it enhances your results. Is somebody's raising hand?
Sir, could be.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
my main concern is my comfort food, which I tend to eat sweets. I just need to work on that, and biscuits.
Yeah, I know. We will discuss that. हम लोग ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स बोलेंगे ना कि जिसमें हम लोग क्रेविंग के बारे में भी स्टेटमेंट करके हम लोग प्रोग्राम करेंगे भाई, वो you become more disciplined and you become more mindful before you're going to grab a biscuit, even a single bite. So that is all about, how, what instruction, how powerful statements you're giving while you're tapping. Okay.
Today only,
So
I was singing this song with keeping a biscuit in my hand. तेरा मुझसे पहले का नाता.
yeah, so relevant. सो अभी वो नाता हमको थोड़ा डिस्टेंस बना देना है वो रिलेशनशिप में.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
also want to add something, Dr. Pragati.
Yes.
अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले ना मैंने स्ट्रेस में ही खाया. मतलब आई कुड रिलेट. मुझे एक्चुअली वो समझ में नहीं आता था कि मुझे बहुत भूख लगती है इमीडिएटली. देयर इज सम स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी, एंड दिस इज नॉट अभी का. आई फेल्ट कि व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज आल्सो और आई वाज इन स्कूल ये होता था मुझको. बट आई डिडंट नो इट इज रिलेटेड टू इमोशन से मैं खा रही.
No, it is very much related to emotion. In fact, it is directly related to emotion and proportional to emotion. And ऊपर से we females are little more sensitive and we are more emotional. And safest part is where we can is the food. फूड हमारा बहुत सेफ एंड कंफर्ट पार्ट है कि बस किसी और को तकलीफ देने से व्हाट वी गो वी टेंड टू ईट समथिंग, और हमारा वो एंगर, एंजाइटी, गुस्सा, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, हम उसको वी ट्राई टू मेल्ट दैट बाय ईटिंग. That is the very common thing we do, and that happens naturally when we are emotionally down because food gives you some kind of comfort. And secondly, instead of है ना किसी और को जाके बोलना, डांटना, गुस्सा निकालना और परेशानी बढ़ा लेने से, what we do is फ्रीज खोलो, कुछ चॉकलेट खा लो, कुछ केक खा लो, कुछ बिस्किट खा लो, एंड वी आर लाइक हाँ ठीक है, हो गया मेरा. Temporarily we are relieved at that moment. Our emotion is relief. Yes or no? How many of you agree with me? It happens with us. Yes. So this definitely our weight somewhere is definitely related with our emotions. And ये program है ना अभी का नहीं है. It is for a long time. तो ये है ना, तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा सबकॉन्शियस माइंड भी हमको वही बताता है. हाँ, आई एम स्ट्रेस्ड, मैं थक गई हूँ, नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग, आई वांट टू ग्रैब दिस थिंग. इट हैपेंस क्योंकि वो पैटर्न बन गया है ना. सो वो बहुत इजीली वी गो टूवर्ड्स दैट. एंड इसलिए ईएफटी टैपिंग को से हमको सबकॉन्शियसली एंड कॉन्शियसली हमारा वो प्रोग्राम को ब्रेक करना है, रिलीज करना है. अभी ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन यू फील लाइक क्रेविंग, तो आपको याद आना चाहिए हाँ हमने ईएफटी टैपिंग का नॉलेज कॉल किया है याना मैम के, सिद्धि मैम के प्लेटफॉर्म पे. कुछ जरूरत ही नहीं है ना इंस्ट्रूमेंट की, आपके फिंगर टिप्स है, उधर ही टैपिंग शुरू करो. I make healthy choices for eating. I maintain my weight by making good choices. Instead of eating chocolate, I will grab a salad or an apple because that is going to keep me more healthy. I am not going to be emotional or the beggar of this my emotion. I am controlling my emotion. Tap करो, सेंटेंस बोलते रहो, टैप करो, सेंटेंस बोलते रहो. ऐसे करके अपने आप को रिमाइंड करो कि नहीं 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 नहीं, दिस इज व्हाट. एंड सो व्हेन यू टैप, जो भी आप बोलते हो ना वो थोड़ा सा हाई इंटेंसिटी से आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को अफेक्ट करता है. इसलिए वो पॉइंट्स ही ऐसे पॉइंट्स है ना कि ऑटोमेटिकली unknowingly you are tapping into your subconscious mind, and your mind listens to that signal, and somewhere then you stop doing that or craving or eating. दिस इज हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कंट्रोल. और हमें उसके लिए डॉक्टर के पास जाना नहीं है, कोई इंस्ट्रूमेंट की जरूरत नहीं है, बस शुरू हो जाओ, अपने फिंगर टिप्स ले लो और शुरू हो जाओ. इट्स दैट इजी. ओके, सो अगेन आई विल शेयर माय स्लाइड. हम लोग कहाँ थे? So, what we are doing here is we identify our emotion, then we tap the energy point, and we release negative emotion, negative thoughts, and negative patterns, and we heal that. This is what we are doing in emotional freedom technique. Okay, so we are going to do the demo so that you understand actually how it is done. So I hope now इसके पीछे का साइंस भी हमको क्लियर है कि it works on our emotion and it helps to calm our mind, okay? And it reduces the food craving, and it also reduces our emotional triggers instantly by tapping these particular points, okay? It is that powerful. And after calming our mind, and there is a shift in our emotion, that time we will keep tapping, and then we start reprogramming. EFT will rewire your emotional pattern. So the food stops being your comfort dost anymore, and you can make the choices from your peace and calm mind and not under the panic. Because आपका mind calm हो जाता है, you are at peace, you mindfully make the choices. This is how the EFT works. Yes? So now, are you ready for the demo? Let's have one demo for that. Before we start with the demo, I would like to tell you about the points. So, this left hand को आप ऐसे सीधा करेंगे, hold like this, and with right hand you have to tap the points. So this is your karate chop points. Then you have to tap at the beginning of your eyebrows, side of the eyebrows. Are you able to see me, or I should stop the presentation? Under the eyes, under the nose, then the chin, collarbone, under your armpits, top of the head, and all the fingers. So these are your tapping points, okay? And during when we are going to tap, let me. Am I share? आपको PPT दिख रहा है या you are able to see me?
We are able to see you, Dr. Pragati.
Yes,
आप दिख
I want that only, that you should be able to see me.
Yes.
So then while tapping, we will be narrating some kind of statements. Those are affirmation, empowering statement, and also the releasing statement and the forgiving statement. So it will be like, even though I feel stressed about my weight, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. So we keep on tapping each and every point for 5 to 7 times, acknowledging your feeling, and feel there is a release of stress. Your stress is melting away as you're tapping. So you also have to focus on your emotions. You have to acknowledge your feelings and thoughts, and you have to acknowledge it's okay. And then you release them. Try to release them, try to let go, try to melt away. Yes? So are you ready to take this demo? I will be saying the sentence, okay? You people only follow my repeat, do the tapping. I mean to say, you only do the tapping. I will say the sentences. Is that okay? So, just give me a thumbs up if we are ready for the demo. We are ready for the demo. So I will tap and I will speak the sentences. You people only tap and observe me. Okay. But you have to acknowledge your feeling. You have to be with your feelings. You have to be with your emotions. And when I say release, you actually have to release and melt. Let it go with ease. Okay. Fine. So let us do it. So before we start with the tapping, let me know you can keep any kind of emotion in your mind. आप कुछ emotion को सोच लीजिए कि what you are feeling, like maybe some fear or stress or anxiety, any kind of emotion. Okay, so you can give me in the chat your emotion, and on the level of 1 to 10. Okay, on the level of 1 to 10, you have to tell me what is the intensity of that emotion. Suppose, for example, you are taking anxiety. So at the level of 1 to 10, what is the anxiety you are feeling right now? 10 being the high, 1 being the low. Come on, close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes. Go into a memory which makes you feel the stress even more. Go into memory that makes you feel the stress or anxiety even more. Don't avoid it. And as you're going through that memory, let that stress come. Let the anxiety come again. Feel that anxiety, feel that stress, feel that moment when you are in the state of mind. As you're going through it, I just want you to be present with your body. Yeah. And go into your body and just sense where in your body are you feeling this emotion more. It will be some kind of sensation somewhere, maybe either in your head, either in your stomach, either in your chest, yeah, or somewhere in your back, lower back, or somewhere in your knees. Each person may have a different sensation of that. So open your eyes and tell me what it is. Or what is the intensity of that emotion? Give me in the chat. Write down the intensity or the level in the chat in number 1 to 10. Please write down the intensity and pain where you're feeling in the chat. Okay. Now let us start. So this is your karate chop point. So let's take your finger. I hope that you know all the points. So this is your karate chop point again. Start at the eyebrows, end of the eyebrows, below your eyes, below your nose, your chin, your collarbone, your armpits, both the armpits, your top of the head. Okay. And the fingers. These are our points that we are going to tap. So you don't have, you just have to feel the sentences that I'll be saying while tapping, and you simply tap. So with your 2 fingers, right hand 2 fingers or 3 fingers, you can tap. Okay. So let's take your fingers like this and tap it like this. Okay, we know all the points. So let us begin and let us start. So even though I feel that reducing weight is a difficult task, and as a result, I am not consistent in my weight loss journey. Because of that, I feel sad. I feel worry. In spite of that, I deeply love and accept and honor myself exactly as I am. Even though I have started many times weight loss journey, but I don't feel that I get the results. In that condition, I feel to give up. I feel frustrated. In that condition also, I deeply love and accept myself exactly as I am. I feel that this weight loss journey and all that gym, everything is just fake. And I feel so depressed that how exactly I'm going to reduce my weight. And because of that, I get angry on myself. In that case, even though still I deeply love and accept and honor myself exactly as I am. Take a deep breath in and release. Take another deep breath in and release. Now tap the center. I release all the anger which I feel in my weight loss journey right now. Whether it is frustration or the worry I'm holding towards the diet plan, towards my own weight loss journey, I release it right now. I know that my emotion, my limiting belief, old habits, pattern come again in my weight loss journey. And as a result, I'm not able to remain consistent. I'm not able to complete my own diet plan and I feel frustrated. I feel worried. I feel helpless. So whatever is the worry, whatever is the helplessness I'm holding in my subconscious mind, all the old patterns, I release it right now. Release, release, release. Release all the fear towards my health, which I'm holding right now. I let go all the limiting beliefs which I hear from all the people around me. I let go all the beliefs which I have got from my ancestors, which are deep rooted in my DNA level. I release them all right now. I know that sometimes when I don't see the results in my weight loss journey, I feel so helpless. I feel so desperate that how and when I'm going to reduce the weight. So I release all that desperation, I release all that worry from my weight loss journey right now. I release all my thoughts which does not serve me, to release the excess weight which I'm holding at my belly right now. I release it. I release, release, release. It's very hard to work. I require to release the excess weight from my body. This is what I think, and that has become my belief. So I release that belief right now. I release all that situations, conditions, and the people which are not helping me to release the excess weight easily and effortlessly. Release, release, release. Now we are going to tap the fingers. The place where the nail and this muscle is there, no, joining the nail, there we have to tap. I release all my feelings, negative emotions towards my own body. Because when I see myself in mirror, I am not able to accept myself in the present body. So I start hating myself. So I release all the feelings towards myself only and my body right now. Release, release, release. I release all that thoughts which I go through in my weight loss journey. I don't see the results immediately because people ask me, you have started your weight loss journey, you're not seeing any kind of results. So I also get the self-doubt. And I also think whether it is working for me or not. So I release all those thoughts and beliefs, all the people involved in that. Release, release, release. I release all the beliefs, all the limiting beliefs which I'm holding, which is not helping me to experience my perfect body shape right now. Release, release, release. I release all that actions which are not helping me to release the excess weight which I'm holding on my body. So, whatever is the laziness, whatever is the procrastination I'm holding towards taking the action, I release it right now. Release, release, release. Whether it is a negative emotion or whichever is the negative emotion, consciously or subconsciously at my DNA level, I'm holding towards my weight loss journey. I release it right now. Release, release, release. So this is the first round. We'll again continue from karate chop point for the second round. Even though in the future also, when I start follow my old diet plan and commit myself to do exercise each day, sometimes something is going to happen and I'm not going to become consistent every day. But in that condition also, I deeply love and accept myself exactly as I am. Dear body, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. My dear health, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Take a deep breath in and release. Today, I accept myself exactly the way I am. I am truly grateful for what exactly I have. What I need is already within me. Today, I invite the love in my life. Today, I invite the peace in my life. I am a peaceful soul. I am a divine soul. I am a powerful soul. I am attracting loving, kind, and accepting people because that is who I am. I am always guided, I am always protected, and I am always supported by the universe. I can lose the weight easily and effortlessly, just like breathing. I am always in my amazing health and in my perfect body shape. I always look beautiful, energetic because I love to have that energy. I am a massive action taker. I love eating salads. I love doing exercise. I always have the healthy choices which helps me in my weight loss journey. My feelings, my thoughts, and my belief actions are always aligned to have a perfect body weight, and I maintain my fitness. I'm already healthy, I'm already healed. I have a divine health ever, and I love my body. I have a great relationship with my body. Thank you, dear universe, for this amazing body. I love my body. I treat my body like a temple. I am blessed to have this body. I accept my body as it is. And I promise to give a healthy food to my body because in this body, my soul resides. And I love my energy. I love my soul. Take a deep breath in. Thank you so much for practicing with me. This is how we are going to practice EFT for reducing our excess weight. So, how are you feeling? You can share your experience in the chat. Also, you can give me the level, what was initially, now what is the level to 1 to 10, what is the level of your feeling, your stress, anxiety, or the pain? 2, 3, feeling so good, good, reduce stress level, relax, sleep, good, lighter. Very good, very good. Ma'am can get a script you were speaking. It comes automatically while practice. Okay, and we will still share with you. We will be having 3 days workshop. उसमें हम continuously you'll be doing that with me, and then definitely you'll get that confidence. And not only for 3 days, we will be meeting for 21 days on a WhatsApp, and we will practice this entire EFT thing for your weight loss journey for 21 days. And I'm 100% sure that in 21 days, you will not only learn, practice EFT, but you will get some results as well. Thank you. Thank you so much. So again, I will start sharing my PPT. Everybody can have a sip of water so that you feel relaxed and calm. So EFT tapping points are also related with your chakras. How many of you are aware of chakras? So, your karate chop point is related to with your heart chakra, your eyebrow center, side of the eyebrows, under eye. This is connected with your third eye chakra. Under nose, chin, collarbone, it is connected with your throat chakra. Underarm, again, it is connected. Armpits are connected with your heart chakra. And when we tap the fingers. It is all, connected with all the rest of the chakras. And when we tap at the top of the head, it is related with your crown chakra. Okay, so in short, what we are doing is we are tapping and we are also activating our energy centers, which are nothing but the chakras. So now, how many of you are aware of Lewis Hay? किसी ने इनका नाम सुना है, लुइस है का?
Yeah, absolutely.
So, you know about Lewis Hay that she herself had gone through a lot of trauma, emotional trauma, pain body. She had cancer and many such stories, and she has come out of that with a very simple, powerful affirmation that is, I love and accept myself. Because self-love and emotional healing, these two are the main things जिससे हम अपना health and emotional well-being maintain कर सकते हैं, and we can transform ourselves. So even she had after recovering, she has teach to the world how to love yourself and how to heal emotionally by practicing and loving your body. And in EFT tapping also, we are giving the instructions to love and accept our body. Okay, so even I practice 21 days self-love course. I've done and I take for others 21 days emotional and self-love challenge. Okay, now coming to our journey of weight loss. So now you know what is EFT, how it works, and how to tap the points. Now I would like to invite you to join a 3 days EFT workshop to unlock your potential for the lasting change. Okay, so it takes a decision for a transformation. Life में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक डिसीजन से स्टार्ट होता है. आपके पास every time you have two choices. Either choice one is like you be in the same cycle, continue जो आप कर रहे हो, diet है, gym है, again you bounce back, there is a frustration, there is a guilt, or you make a decision, you take charge of my emotional weight healing and follow the structured EFT tapping technique and see the results for yourself. It is very powerful technique. And सबसे important, like I told you my story, when I had gone through surgery, that time we are not able to do exercise. That time also, this is very effective to maintain your emotional well-being and maintain your weight. And apart from that, yeah, अगर डाइट दैट डाइट ही सॉल्यूशन होता तो पता नहीं कितने लोग डाइट के बाद भी वी नो दैट वो स्ट्रगल करते हैं और आज भी कर रहे हैं. सो व्हाट इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट द फूड, इट इज द इमोशनल ब्लॉक्स बिहाइंड द फूड. So because weight loss actually starts with healing emotion. अगर आप इमोशनल ईटिंग या स्ट्रेस और सबकॉन्शियस ब्लॉक्स को रिलीज करना चाहते हैं, तो वेट लॉस नेचुरली और इजी करना चाहते हैं, तो EFT इज वेरी पावरफुल टेक्निक. And how it works is it reduces your emotional eating, है ना? It improves your relationship with food, it releases the subconscious weight block, it develops a healthy eating habits. And first thing, we love ourselves, we accept ourselves, we acknowledge ourselves the way we are. उसके बाद we forgive ourselves and we program ourselves for developing good habits. We make ourselves first calm and take the control of our emotion and our subconscious mind. So weight gain is not always about the food. Okay, sometimes it is about the emotions we have been carrying for long years. And when these emotions are released, your body naturally begins to return to the balance. So one decision of joining 3 days EFT workshop will help you in your transformation journey. And here we are also offering you 21 days support of community, where every day we will be posting our results, we will be pushing each other, and we will be inspiring each other with our changes and transformation. So we will be having daily step-by-step practice. We'll be having a community support for you for 21 days. And today, if you're joining this workshop, you will also get a early bird bonus. Not only that, for the limited people who will be registering for this workshop right in this webinar, you will also get a 15 minutes one-on-one free call with me for any of your personal problems or issues that you may be facing. I can help you with the emotional healing in that area also. We will be also having question answer sessions during this 21 days challenge. Yes. So click on the link below, take the decision and join the 3 days program. Let's tap, heal and transform our lives together, and let us stop the struggle of weight gain and emotional eating and the craving. Yes. And in this 3 days, I will also be taking EFT tapping with weight loss, mindfulness, and visualization meditation. So, because of this meditation, again, you can visualize with your feelings and emotions that how your body is responding to tapping, and your weight is reducing, and you're feeling more calmer, and you're making a healthy choices. So, we will also be having the meditation practice and visualization. So, how many of you are now ready for this 3 days workshop? Give me yes in the chat box. How many of you are ready for this workshop, and how many of you are excited to know the today's offer, which is amazing offer, and you will never get such an offer, because I am coming for the first time on Yana's Healing Studio, and so I am going to give you a very special offer today for this 3 days workshop program, along with 21 days support. So before I go into that, I would like to tell you who this workshop is for. So this program is designed for the people who feel that weight gain is not just about food, but it is about emotion, it is about stress, and it is about the inner blocks. Because in EFT tapping, we are working on your emotional blocks and inner blocks. So it is ideal for the people who have tried multiple diets, but the weight keeps coming back. Those struggling with emotional eating, stress eating, or binge eating. So the women who feel overwhelmed and anxious, emotionally drained, individuals carrying unresolved emotional pain, trauma, or stress, or the people who want holistic mind-body approach to lose your weight. Anyone who wants to heal their relationship with food and their body, for them this workshop is designed. And most importantly, all those busy professionals who want a simple technique to reduce stress and craving, because always time is our major blockage, that because of the busy schedule we are not able to find time, and because of which we feel that how will I do, and I don't have time for this. Yes or no? How many of you agree with me? कुछ लोग सोचते हैं मेरे पास तो बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है, we have all that problem I'm doing, but I am doing a full-time job. Along with this, I am teaching all this. Along with that, I am also practicing, because I know that not doing will cost me more. Imagine we are working full time, we are standing for a lot of hours together in workplace or at home in kitchen. If we are overweight, we have so many pounds on our body, and we are for hours together, our lower back pains, our knees pains, there is a lot of weight on our heel also, and because of this we feel so much tired, and we feel irritated, we get triggered immediately with very small things. with our family members, right? So I know you're busy right now. Let me ask you how much time you have already spent struggling with your weight. Imagine if you can save time and get results by taking actions. Just EFT tapping just takes 10 to 15 minutes. With visualization, acknowledging your emotions, you can melt all those emotional blocks. And you don't need anything. Your fingertips are only your healing tools, and simply by tapping, you can make your transformation. You may also think, will this work for me? How many of you feel that? So let me tell you very honestly, EFT tapping is not like a magic कि आपने एक बार कर लिया और change हो गया. I am not saying that. So, but as we have resistance to start something new, break our comfort zone, so there is always a resistance to learn new. But EFT tapping definitely works on your emotion and blocks. It helps us release those blocks. It helps us to bring a calm state of mind. It definitely disciplines our subconscious mind to make right choices. So open mind के साथ, consistency के साथ, with good intention, if you practice, definitely EFT gives you amazing results. Maybe in 3 weeks, maybe in 6 weeks, maybe in 3 months, 6 months, I can see progress in myself. Then why not you? Next time we will be having your testimonials in next session, that how EFT has helped you to reduce your weight or that extra fats in your body. Yeah. Any questions here?
Ma'am, there's a question. Thanks for the beautiful, wonderful session, ma'am. I'm Penny here.
Okay, so I would like to give you today's offer. What are the workshop highlights? So 21 days challenge is there. Reduce emotional eating. It will help you to lower the stress and cortisol levels. It will help you to control the craving for sugar and junk food. Definitely, it will improve your body awareness and mindful eating, and build self-love and positive relationship with your body. And for this 3 days workshop and 21 days challenge, the energy exchange is only rupees 2499. So how many of you are ready to register for this 3 days workshop?
What will be the dates and what will be the timings, ma'am?
Yes. So workshop schedule is on 24th of March, 24, 25, 26, 8 to 10 p.m. And also, for today's webinar, there is a very special offer that I have for you. Those who are going to register right now in this workshop, you don't have to pay 2499, but along with that, you will be given a workshop bonus, that is 15 minutes free one-on-one clarity call for any of your personal issues. So I take one-on-one call as a coaching. I am a mindfulness coach. So for 1 hour, I charge 3,000 rupees, but for 15 minutes to 30 minutes, I will give you completely free clarity call for your personal issues. Along with that, we will also give you your personalized weight loss affirmations. So these are the bonuses with this workshop if you enroll today in this workshop. And not only that, for everyone who is attending this workshop and registering right now, you get a discount and you only have to pay rupees 1111. If you are registering for this workshop right now, we are giving a webinar offer wherein you only have to pay rupees 1111. And not only that, only for the first 5 signups, only for the first 5 signup who are doing right now, you will be getting a special bonus of fat loss program by Siddhi Shah ma'am, absolutely free. So this becomes such a power pack bundle that you get 3 days workshop along with 21 days community support. Along with that, you also get 15 minutes free one-on-one call. You get affirmation worksheet for your weight loss. And उसके ऊपर आपको सिद्धिशा मैम का वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम प्री रिकॉर्डेड प्रोग्राम एब्सोल्युटली फ्री मिल रहा है. So now tell me, how are you feeling? This is only for today's webinar offer. And for first 5 signups, you get extra super power pack pre-recorded session of Siddhisha ma'am. So take the decision, register now, and take full advantage of this offer. If today you feel that कि अब समय आ गया है एंड इमोशनल ईटिंग स्टॉप करना है, स्ट्रेस रिलीज करना है, आई हैव टू स्टॉप दिस साइकिल, ब्रेक दिस साइकिल, एंड आई हैव टू bring in the transformation, this is that moment. So I request Vasundhara ma'am to give the registration link. Also,
Yes,
I
we
have
have
the
shared.
scanner here.
Yes, and we have shared the
So,
details on the Zoom chat, and we are also sending the details on the WhatsApp group.
okay. So you can quickly register. Don't forget, first 5 registration will get, have to pay only 1,111, and also you get pre-recorded program of Siddhisha ma'am and a free 15 minutes one-on-one call with me. Okay, let me ask you one thing.
Meenakshi
अगर
ji has
आपने
already paid.
yes, Vasundhara ma'am.
Meenakshi ji has already paid. So welcome, Meenakshi ji.
Congratulations, Meenakshi ma'am, for taking this action. बैठ के सोच
Thank you,
के we
Pragati ma'am.
can't make
I
any
am gifting it to one
transformation.
of my friends too.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Congratulations to her. And when we take action, definitely we go for transformation. हम wish करके कि मेरा weight कब कम होगा, when I'll break this cycle, it doesn't happen. And this is such a beautiful offer here given by Siddhisha ma'am. Along with my course, you get her course as well. So 2 mentors are taking you through this 3 days EFT tapping workshop and 21 days hand holding for you with the community support on WhatsApp.
Ma'am,
By
I'm
the
trying
way,
to register, but it is not somehow going. I'm just trying. Can we
Penny ji,
get
you
some
can
other
pay on the number
set of
you have.
symbols?
You already have
Pardon?
the number of Kalpana Shah. You can pay on that number.
Yeah, I have the number. So I'm trying again. It is not going. I can't say what's some technical issue, but I'm still trying.
Okay, okay.
मैम कल्पना
Yes.
शाह
then
नंबर
try
में
with the
दिक्कत हो रहा है
scanner.
मैम, सिद्धीशा में हो रहा है.
Yeah, I
Acha.
did it on Siddhi only, Vasudha ji.
Okay, okay. So I will send the QR code of Siddhi. You can pay on that. We
I
only
sent
have
it to
one
you also.
slot left. So 4 registrations are already done. Only one person will get the bonus now. Siddhi's course and Dr. Pragati's course. So only one slot is remembered. Neetaji, your payment is received. Thank you so much. Warm
Thank
welcome.
you.
Congratulations, Neetaji. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Those who have taken the action, congratulations. And I welcome you for this 3 days workshop. And you will definitely learn. See, from this webinar, I think you got a lot of value. And we experienced, we had a demo. And if we repeat that for 21 days, it is definitely going to create a transformation in your emotions, also in your mental state, mental and emotional well-being, and also it will affect your weight loss journey a lot. And not
Ma'am, I
only,
have a
as I told
question.
you, not only weight loss, there are so many things you can do once you learn EFT. You can apply it for any of your problems. It not weight loss is just one thing. Same technique that you will learn. You can apply for stress, you can apply for fear, you can apply for your emotional triggers, you can apply for your headache, back pain, knee pain, any kind of thing. You can also use it to attract money because ultimately it is working on your energies. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And you get emotional freedom, you get inner peace, you get healthy relationship with others. So it also works on relationship. And imagine, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहती हूँ. इमेजिन कीजिए 6 months के बाद आप आपके मिरर के सामने खड़े हैं एंड आपका बॉडी लाइटर फील हो रहा है, आपका माइंड काम हो गया है, योर क्रेविंग्स हैव बीन कंट्रोल, यू आर मेकिंग हेल्दी चॉइसेस. तो और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, आप खुद पर प्राउड फील करते हो, तो आपको कैसे लगता है? So imagine this results you will get, and जो चीज कितने दिनों से you were stuck with your emotions, वो आसानी से रिलीज हो जाएगा. So definitely it will help you. And if you talk about price, let me tell you, for such deep transformation program, I charge starting from 15,000 to 30,000 for 21 days. Just because this is Siddhisha ma'am's webinar, we are giving it, offering at such a low price.
Ma'am, mine has also been accepted. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Pravati
What about
ma'am,
others?
Meenakshi
Action
here.
takers.
Meenakshi ji has a question, I think, Dr. Pragati. Yes, Meenakshi ji, you can ask the question.
Yes.
Ma'am, more than vocalizing the words, I prefer to meditate in my mind, say those in my mind. Can I close my eyes, sit and say that in my mind and do the tapping?
Absolutely, you can do that. In fact, you should be with your emotions. You should be feeling your emotions. You should be acknowledging your emotions. So when you close your eyes, you are with your breath and you're tapping. It will definitely help you a lot. In fact,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
closing eyes will also help you to focus on your feelings, on your emotions. The more focused you are with your emotions, this will work and give you results within a few minutes. You will immediately
I
feel that calmness.
I could feel that during the session itself, ma'am. Half the time I
Yes,
had my eyes closed.
yes. It will definitely help you. Because it is your own part of those are very some acupressure points. It will directly affect your state of mind. You will feel that shift in your emotion instantly. And when you are with your emotions, when you are with your breath, when you close your eyes and feel that, and we are indirectly, you are doing that self-talk with your body. Ki, I accept you as it is. I love and honor you as it is. And I choose to release those blocks. I choose to let go. I love you. I forgive you. है ना? So you are giving a good instructions to your subconscious mind. You are reprogramming your thinking patterns. See, your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions are what affects you. It creates you as creates good vibes also, and same negative thoughts, negative emotions also drains your energy. So it is all about the choice. It is all about the positive self-talk you're doing with your body that gives you the result. Yes, sir.
ma'am. Thank you.
So, any questions? Anybody has any more questions? I would definitely address those questions. And if you still are thinking whether to join or not, I would say take a leap of faith. 3 days, you will have very lot of value in my workshop because I believe in giving a lot. In this free call, we have taken such a big process of EFT tapping. And when we are going to do it with meditation and visualization, you will see the results. जैसे आपने आंखें क्लोज किया तो आपको लगता है, आफ्टर डूइंग दैट EFT tapping, when we go for a mindfulness and visualization technique, it will 10x the effect of EFT tapping. And most importantly, it is not only for weight loss, it is for all kind of problems you can do the EFT tapping. And anywhere you can do. It's so comfortable anywhere you sit, even on your office desk when you are sitting for 10-15 minutes to relax. That time also you can do. When you're anxious, nervous for going for some thing, that time before you go and act, you just do EFT tapping for 5 minutes and it will change your state of mind. It will make your time relax and calm. So it works so instantly. So, two more people will be eligible. I think we have completed 5 slots, ma'am. All 5 slots are fulfilled,
We
receiving
are
the
more
bonus.
than
Thank you
5
so
slots.
much. Okay, okay.
Yeah, we are more than 5 slots, so the early bird bonus is no longer available.
But
But still, they
even
can get
this,
one-on-one call with you and
definitely,
bonuses that you are offering. So go ahead and register.
you
And
will get
personally,
the bonuses,
I tapping.
and we will also keep this. The price is 1111 only. It is not rupees 2,499. And let me tell you, in my workshop, I charge 15,000 rupees for the same thing that we are going to do in this 3 days. So it is only for whatever service and whatever healing I've received from Siddhisha ma'am till now. This is my giveaway for my gratitude towards her that we are offering this at very low cost, low price here.
Thank you, ma'am. So
Right.
sweet.
Right. Thank you so much. We are grateful. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So everyone who has paid, who has enrolled, we will add you to the WhatsApp group after this session in some time, by tonight or by tomorrow morning. So don't worry. And the group is also open. The WhatsApp group also has been opened. If you want to ask anything, if you want to send payment screenshots, you can send in the WhatsApp group.
Again, one more important thing, even one-on-one free call is only for 5 serious people. I'll be doing this clarity call. Those who wants to take action or those who have some concern. For 5 serious members, I'll be doing this free call. So if you have anything, please take this opportunity. Along with EFT learning, I will be also helping you out with any other personal concern or emotional concern you have, because I'm a mindfulness coach, I'm a emotional healer, I'm also a pranic healer. So I have learned so many modalities. I'm a NLP certified trainer, so I also use NLP healing modalities while I'm dealing with my clients. And I emotional healing is my expert area. So you can also, if you have any concern, you get this opportunity of having a free call with me through this offer.
Thank you. Thanks again, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you so much. Any concerns or any doubts, if anybody has, I would really like to address them. And if you have any doubt, even now, और इफ यू आर थिंकिंग, कुछ लोग अगर सोच रहे हैं शायद बाद में ज्वाइन करूंगी, लेकिन रियलिटी क्या है, लेटर अक्सर नेवर बन जाता है, यस और नो। रियल चेंज तभी होता है जब हम डिसीजन लेते हैं। एंड यहाँ आपको कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट भी मिल रहा है। कम्युनिटी एक्चुअली रियली कीप्स अस मोटिवेटेड एंड इंस्पायर्ड। हम किसी का पोस्ट देख के उनको कैसे रिजल्ट मिला है, देन अगेन वी आर बूस्ट अप टू टेक द एक्शन एंड वी कीप ऑन आवर जर्नी कंसिस्टेंटली। सो community support really helps us to keep on track on our healing and transformation journey. So you get 21 days of community support here. अगर आपको लगता है कि अब वो समय आ गया है कि इमोशनल ईटिंग अब मुझे स्टॉप करना है. Craving I have to control because it is affecting my health. My sugar levels are rising up. I am feeling low energy. Body pain होता है. End of the day, I'm completely exhausted. यहाँ pain, वहाँ pain, back pain, knee pain, head pain, migraine, so much of fatigue, and you are feeling energyless. और फिर anybody in the family कुछ कह देता है, बस you get triggered, you get disturbed, or you go into that zone of sadness. So all these emotions, they should not control you. You should be able to control your emotions. You should be able to flip your state of mind immediately, and EFT tapping helps you doing that instantly. Whenever you feel ki now you are feeling disturbed, agitated, irritated, you start doing tapping and say those powerful statements, and you see that shift immediately. Instantly you feel a shift in your mind. You feel more calmer, you feel relaxed, you feel centered. जैसे breathing exercise से we feel centered. Similarly with EFT tapping also you get centered. You can calm your mind anywhere, anytime. You don't need anything. Your own fingertips are your healing tools. Isn't that amazing?
Right. So, ma'am, the same healing points we have to tap, like we are tapping for weight loss, or otherwise we are tapping for gaining memory, like memory loss भी हो रहा है मेरा, है ना? So we have to release anxiety. Means basically we have to release all the stress and anxiety or the stuck emotions. So the same points will work for all these things, na? Where stress is
Yes, ma'am.
the
Very
basic reason.
simple, very simple. I'll tell you. You are continuously, we are doing some kind of self talk with ourselves. हमारे माइंड में ना कंटिन्यूस हम लोग कुछ तो टॉक करते रहते हैं, वो थॉट्स आते रहते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी आर नॉट इन पीसफुल स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, तो क्या होता है कि हम नेगेटिव थॉट्स ज्यादा बोलते हैं, लिमिटिंग बिलीव्स को लेके ज्यादा बोलते हैं, सेल्फ डाउट लेके ज्यादा बैठते हैं. कोई और एक्सटर्नल चीजें नहीं लगती, हमारा माइंड ही नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक से हम अपने माइंड को ही नेगेटिवली प्रोग्राम करते हैं, और उससे नेगेटिव थॉट से हमारा एनर्जी बहुत ज्यादा ड्रेन आउट होता है.
Right,
Negative
absolutely
thoughts
right.
takes our energy, lot of energy, and we feel so much drained out. We feel so low, we feel fatigued, and we feel so much agitated. And EFT tapping, when at this moment when you feel, and you, instead of going into that negative self-talk in that loop, instead of that, what you have to simply program your mind to start tapping. टैपिंग करो, और इनसाइड योर माइंड जो आप नेगेटिव बोल रहे हो ना, उसकी पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट बोलो.
Positive.
से दोज
Right.
अफर्मेशंस. टेल योरसेल्फ व्हाइल टैपिंग, अपने आप से वो पॉजिटिव बातें करो. दैट्स ऑल इज EFT. उसके लिए कोई स्क्रिप्ट की नीड नहीं है कि सेंटेंस ऐसा ही बोलना है. जो आप नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक करो उसको आप पॉजिटिव करो, और बोलो कि आई लव एंड एक्सेप्ट एंड ऑनर माई सेल्फ एग्जैक्टली एज आई एम. I love myself exactly I am. I forgive myself. Thank you being with me. And I love you. सो बस टैपिंग करो एंड वो बातें बोलो. उसके लिए कोई ऐसे स्टेटमेंट, कोई अफर्मेशन, कोई स्क्रिप्ट की भी जरूरत नहीं है. आप नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक करते हो तो आपको स्क्रिप्ट की जरूरत होती है क्या? नहीं. यू गो इनटू सो मच ऑफ नेगेटिव सेल्फ टॉक. उसको सिर्फ रिप्लेस करना है टैपिंग के साथ पॉजिटिव सेल्फ टॉक. बस जो बात आप करते हो नेगेटिवली, वही आपको पॉजिटिवली करना है, और उसके साथ टैपिंग करना है. This will give you immense, amazing result, and immediately there is a shift. और जो आपका लेवल था ना, मैंने क्यों कराया लेवल, क्यों बोला 1 to 10 के बीच में, व्हाट इज द लेवल. यू विल सी कि आप अभी इतने एंशियस फील कर रहे थे, एंड आफ्टर 2 to 3 राउंड्स ऑफ टैपिंग यू विल फील बेटर. एंड व्हेन यू डू इट रेगुलरली ना, आपका सबकॉन्शियस माइंड प्रोग्राम हो जाता है. ऑटोमेटिकली यू टैप एंड इट स्टार्ट चेंजिंग योर स्टेट ऑफ द माइंड.
It takes
And
around
you
15
don't
to
need
20
anything.
minutes.
Just your
Yeah,
fingertips and you, that's all.
right.
And it happens. कैसे होता है? In every case, अगर एज फैक्टर होता है, अदर पेन्स होते हैं बॉडी में, कि हम लोग इतना एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर पाते, राइट? या फिर टाइम नहीं मिलता है, या फिर डाइट का कैसे, अब इंडियन कल्चर में इतने फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं, एवरी मंथ वी हैव सम ऑफ द अदर फेस्टिवल, एंड देन वी, फेस्टिवल मतलब क्या? फूड। अल्टीमेटली वी आर सेलिब्रेटिंग बाय फूड। अपने आप को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, ओकेजन है सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, अगेन इट इज विथ फूड। सो वी हैव सो मेनी रीजंस टू हैव दैट high calories food and to break our routine, and not only celebration. When we are depressed, that time also we are taking support of food to come out of that. So that time also again we are feeding all the junk, all the sweet, all the things that we should not eat. So वो celebration है या depression
नहीं
है?
है,
Everywhere we are taking the support of
both
that
ways.
food. And ऊपर से इतने सारे festivals है, so definitely वो consistency नहीं maintain होती है। वही अगर आपने आपके माइंड को प्रोग्राम किया है टैपिंग से, then you tend to make a healthy choice. Then you pause, then you break that, wait, and you can instruct your mind before eating. You tap and say, this is not good for my health. Because of my weight, I am having pain in my knees, I am having pain in my back. So I choose to make a positive, healthy choices. ऐसे आप बोलते रहोगे, एंड immediately I guarantee you, before you grabbing and eating that full plate of calories, you will pause and you will only choose little portion, and your mind will say that's enough. आपका craving भी satisfy होता है, you don't have to eat a complete plate. थोड़े से portion में भी you get that satisfaction, and your emotions are satisfied and your craving is also satisfied. Yes or no?
Yes. So it takes around 15 to 20 minutes a day, na?
Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes. And if you have time, आपने एक दो राउंड फूड के लिए कर लिया, एक या दो राउंड आपने इमोशनल ईटिंग के लिए कर लिया, या फिर यू कैन ऑल्सो पिन पॉइंट कि आपके फैट सपोज बेली पे ज्यादा है, तो आप बेली को पॉइंट फोकस करके कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स के एक दो राउंड कर लो। ऐसे यू कैन वर्क ऑन दैट।
Okay.
यू वांट टू डू एक्सरसाइज लेकिन आपको नी में पेन है, तो एक राउंड आप आपकी नी पेन के लिए करें, तो वो भी होता है। मीन्स यू कैन कंबाइंड इट इज, आई टोल्ड यू ना, इसलिए स्क्रिप्ट की जरूरत नहीं है। whatever is happening, whatever is the pain, whatever is the emotional pain, जो भी आपको फील हो रहा है, बस उसके लिए आपको बोलना है और टैप करना है, and it works.
Yeah, and how much time one round takes?
One round takes around 5 to 12 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Beautiful.
You're
So
welcome.
grateful to you. It was
Thank
such
you
a
so
wonderful
much.
session.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Anybody has any more questions? Any
And
doubts?
ma'am,
Anybody would like to have my clarity call for any of your personal concerns you have? You can also get that through this workshop.
we'll get the PDF and recordings also, ma'am. Recording of the session
Yes,
some way.
recording of this session will be shared with those participants who register.
Right.
Very,
And the
very
PDF, we'll get some PDF also.
available for all our sessions.
Yes. Vasundhara ma'am is saying that we share the recording with all the participants,
all the
not only those
sessions
who have
will-
registered. It is will be shared because this is a value that we are giving through this knowledge call. So it will be shared with everybody.
And we'll get some PDF also, ma'am, related to this.
PDF for the script.
And some literature, yeah.
Yeah,
Or it
I
is not
can
supposed
give you. I can give you. I can give you,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Thank you.
basically,
Thank
EFT is more about scripting on what we say and how are we training our mind. So that script and everything will be provided to you for
Yes.
the practice. Then other information that Pragati ji would like to share, the affirmations and everything, that will
Yeah.
be given.
We will give you the affirmation also. And those affirmation you can use with your tapping as well. And 3 days when you practice with me, na, you will understand, understand everything, कि how you can combine. It is not only fat, weight, जैसे मैंने बोला, और भी आपको कहीं पेन है, शोल्डर में पेन है, नेक में पेन है, या यू आर फीलिंग लो एनर्जी, जो आज आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है, वो 3 दिन मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस और मेडिटेशन करके आपको खुद ही समझ में आएगा कि कैसे करना है वो, combining various things. So एक बार आप सीखोगे and you can apply it for any kind of problems. As I told
Can I
you,
leave
okay,
it
you
here?
can also help to for your well-being, for your loneliness, to release your sadness, even for goal setting. You can use EFT tapping for attracting goals, attracting money, releasing your limiting belief के लिए तो बहुत powerful है. To remove the negative emotion, for self-love, for body pain, headache होता है, acidity होता है. For that
It
also you
covers
can do.
everything. Yeah, each and every aspect it is covering.
Yeah. Even
It's
emotions like anger, fear, overthinking. हम लोग इतने आराम से overthinking, thinking loop में जाते हैं. You can break that loop by tapping. So once you learn, you can apply it anywhere to release your anger, to release your agitation. Because in this workshop, you'll understand कि there are main 3 phases. If you have observed कि phase 1 में हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we accept ourselves as it is with our current state of mind, है ना. जब हम खुद को स्वीकारते हैं, there itself we get that feeling of being loved. Okay, we release all kind of judgments. Okay, we accept ourselves as exactly as we are. So that is the phase 1. सेकेंड फेज में हम क्या करते हैं, हम रिलीज करते हैं नेगेटिव पैटर्न्स को, हम लोग लेट गो करते हैं, हम लोग फॉरगिव करते हैं अपने आप को, एंड हमारा फोकस नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव में लाते हैं. So this we are doing, this is the second phase. And third phase में we are saying gratitude. You know that gratitude is the most highest high vibration frequency that we can be, and that changes your state of mind. So हम लोग phase 3 में gratitude भी तो बोल रहे हैं ना, thank you universe for the amazing health, thank you for the glowing skin, है ना, thank you God for helping me make better choices, thank you for always looking young and beautiful. So we say thank you and we manifest that. When we are in the vibration of gratitude, we can easily manifest the things. Okay, so expressing gratitude is also coming in this tapping. Yeah, and you know that when we are grateful for anything, we attract more of it. So when we express gratitude for our health, for our well-being, then we attract that naturally and easily. So these are the phases that we are doing in this tapping cycle. So it is very systematic, structured, and a scientific way of healing.
Okay.
So please take this chance, give yourself this chance, learn this powerful technique, and it will help you in so many of your areas. And I would love to give you more and more value in this 3 days workshop also. Even I would like to tell you about the Lewis Hay mirror work exercise. So sometime for 10 minutes, we can also practice that Lewis Hay ka jo self-love exercise hai. It's very powerful exercise. I have that course of 21 days of Louis Hay का self love. तो हम लोग एक सेशन वो भी कर लेंगे, so you can get that also. And we will be also have doubt clearing Q&A sessions, so that will also help. And in 21 days I'll be also be monitoring, and I'll be accountability partner, whether you're practicing in the morning, in the evening, if you're facing any difficulty, so I'll be hand holding you for 21 days. So that's the promise. Any doubts? Anyone have anything to ask? I want all my participants who are registered be looking so amazing, loving, and with their loving and pleasing personality, body, and sexy body, looking more attractive, you know, like Kareena Kapoor. So not only emotional weight, this is more than a mindfulness practice, and it is a proper step-by-step transformation roadmap. It has proper phases which are designed. तो पहले हम सब निकालते हैं कचरा, फिर स्पेस बनाते हैं, और नया पैटर्न, नया इमोशन, नया थॉट हम लोग देते हैं हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को, एंड सो इट वर्क्स. अगर आज आप मार्केट में देखोगे तो ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन प्रोग्राम्स जो होते हैं, इफ यू रियली नो, मिनिमम इट कॉस्ट फ्रॉम 15,000. Minimum cost is even I offer them for 15 to 30,000. लेकिन क्योंकि आप आज इस वेबिनार में आए हैं, एंड दिस इज द स्पेशल वेबिनार ऑफर दैट वी आर गिविंग यू एट दिस प्राइस. और इसमें रिस्क तो कुछ नहीं है ना. यू आर लर्निंग दैट टेक्निक विच यू कैन अप्लाई एनी टाइम टू एनी ऑफ योर प्रॉब्लम्स. And you get a free 15 minutes clarity call, which is worth rupees 2,000. So you get two bonuses. 15 minutes clarity call, which itself is worth of 2,000. Along with that, you get second, that is the weight loss affirmations. So दो bonuses ही आपके workshop के value से ज़्यादा है. And most important, you get a pre-recorded full program of fat loss of Siddhisha ma'am. So you have so many bonuses.
Yes, it's full of bonuses.
Full of bonuses.
Bonuses. Ma'am, will this additional offer that is going on, it will be provided to one or two more persons also?
See, this offer will be valid for 24 hours. So even if
Okay.
you want to offer somebody else, this
Yeah,
offer
yeah.
is valid for 24 hours. You can ask them to register. Register link will
Okay.
be shared in the group, and you can tell about that to others also who they
Ah,
really need it, and you can help them
yes,
by giving it.
that's why I asked. Yeah, that's why
Yes,
I
yes,
asked.
you will get this
Okay.
offer.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks again. Lots and lots of gratitude.
Thank you
Okay.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good
Good
night.
night. Good night.
Shall we
Thanks,
end the call,
ma'am.
Dr. Prakriti?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Vasundhara madam, for your help.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so much.
much.